Artificial intelligence continues to change the world as we know it, and it's developing at breakneck speeds. Now at Alliance Group, we're exploring the cutting edge of this amazing technology and what value it can bring to Alliance Group's training and marketing program, and therefore to you, our agents. E se pudéssemos usar IA para gerar vídeos onde eu falo fluentemente em português, mesmo sem falar o idioma? O incluso terminar en español. Imagina cómo la IA podría cambiar cómo entrenamos agentes en otros idiomas o creamos videos de marketing sin necesidad de encontrar un agente o actor que hable ese idioma. 可能性是无限的. At Alliance Group, we're dedicated to finding that cutting edge and using artificial intelligence to support our agents and agencies with the very best resources that the latest technology has to offer. Fique ligado. Apenas começamos a arranhar a superfície. É um momento emocionante para fazer parte do Alliance Group.